If you don't know how to use Instagram's close friend feature, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Instagram's close friend feature, which is very easy. So first, what you have to do is open your Instagram account. Then click on your menu, go to the home page, select on your profile, go to the settings and search for close friends. And simply click on the people that you want to add on your close friends. After that, click on done. And while posting stories, what you can do is select any of your posts and click on the close friend option before posting the story. What this will do is the story will only go to the people that you have selected on your close friend that I showed you how to do before. So this is it on how you can use Instagram's close friend feature. So if you enjoyed the video and found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.